Welcome back, my dear ethical hackers. In the previous video, we saw how we can scan the entire subnet. We can scan for the operating system, the services, versions, and so much more. Now in this video, we are going to scan the ports. Before we scan the ports, we already understood what the ports are, but let us just recap the important port numbers. Remember earlier in the previous module, we talked about the ports, and now we are going to scan those ports. If port number 20 and port number 21 are open, that means we can hack into the FTP, that is file transfer protocol, because those are the services running on that port. On port number 22, we have SSH running. Port number 23 is for Telnet. 25 is for SMTP. Port number 53 is reserved, as you know, for DNS. Port number 80 and 443 are reserved for HTTP and HTTPS respectively. Port number 110 is reserved for POP3, that is incoming emails. And similarly, we can have 143, that is for IMAP, and that is again for internet messaging. And then we can have 135 to 139, that is SMB protocols running on it. And finally, we have 3389, that is remote desktop protocols. So if you have 3389 open, that means you can remotely access that particular thing. So these are some of the popular ports. Now that we have recapped the popular ports, it is time for us to get hands-on and let us see how we can scan a port. Let's get started. What we are going to do is first we are going to perform some hands-on on checking port 80. So just say -P80 followed by the IP address that I want to scan to see whether port 80 is open. Then we will see if we can scan multiple ports. How to scan multiple ports? Just type those ports followed by commas in between them. We'll do hands-on in just a minute. To scan the range of ports, we'll just put the port number followed by a dash and then the last port to be scanned. That's the range of ports to be scanned. If you want to scan the whole port, you can scan from port number 1 to the final port. And if you want to scan all the 100 popular ports, just put a -F for fast scanning the 100 ports. Let's do this hands-on now. Let's go to Kali and we are going to scan all the ports. Let's close off the necessary windows here and let's go to Kali. Scanning the ports. Let's get started. Sudo nmap -st and we are going to scan 192.168.38.137. This is the IP of our metasploitable. Put a -P80. Okay, it doesn't matter where you put -P, whether you put it before or if you put after the IP address, it doesn't matter. The command works any which ways. So just press enter. We are scanning port number 80 on metasploitable and you can see that it is open. Great. Okay, what if I want to scan multiple ports? So just say -P port 20, 21, 23, 80, 143, whatever you want to put. So you can just put randomly whatever ports you want to put and you just press enter and this will show you all the ports that you have displayed over here and this is there. Okay, so these ports are closed, these ports are open. Not bad at all. So this is how you can scan. You can say multiple ports, just put a comma in between each port that you want to scan. What do you want to scan? A range of ports. All right, to scan the range of ports, all you have to do is you have to put -P followed by the starting port followed by the ending port. That's going to display all the ports between port 20 to port 500, press enter. This will take a little longer, obviously, because that's going to scan the depth of ports. And that's it, 500 ports scanned. It's showing you these are all the open ports, 21, 22, 23, 25, 53, 80, 111, 139, 445 are the open ports. Wow. All right. What if I want to scan the entire range? It starts from 1 up to 65, 535. That's the entire range that is going to be scanned. Just press enter, and that's going to scan the entire range of ports. Or what you could do is just press Ctrl C over here to stop the scan. This is going to take a long time because it's going to take the entire range of ports. The other way to scan the same thing is, instead of putting 1 to 65, 535, if you're too lazy like me to scan the whole thing, you just put -p-, and this by default will scan the entire range. This command and this command will perform the same thing. Okay, that's it. And I'll stop this and we'll try the last one, -f. So -f will scan, or rather it will fast scan all the popular 100 ports. Just press enter, and this won't take long. All the popular 100 ports will be scanned and the details will be displayed. Not bad at all, right? So the top 100 ports are all scanned, and these are the ports that are opening. So once again, recapping, we did the sudo nmap -p80 to scan one specific port. Then to scan multiple ports, we just put comma, comma, comma in between each one. For the range of ports, we just put a dash in between the start and the end, and -p followed by 1 to 65, 535 or -p-. And finally, scanning the fast scanning of the 100 most popular ports, we just put a -f. That's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video.